Hi, Felicia from Coast of Maine here. We're going to talk about where you're going to put your raised bed once you've built it. So we built the bed the other day, and now when you figure out where in your yard you want it, you want to orient your bed east-west. So the long sides are facing north and south, and you can put a fence on the upper side, the north side, because if you grow vertically along this, it gives you more use out of your raised bed, and it doesn't shade the rest of your bed. So that's really important. It's really easy to do. This right here is they use this in concrete, so this is wire mesh. It's pretty inexpensive. I think this was like $5, and this is just 1/2-inch rebar that I put in with a post pounder, and it's weaved. So real easy to do. If you put it on the outside of the raised bed, you can then use hoops or pieces of wire, or even smaller ones like this, and come back around, put those across here, and come back around with fabric or a sheet. This particular stuff is Agribon. It's used in agriculture, but this will prevent a freeze if you're at like 28 or 30 degrees. If you cover your bed and that's on there, underneath it, it'll hold the heat in. So it's kind of like insulation. Also, I wanted to point out, we've put really thick cardboard down underneath here, and I don't know if you can see, if you can get a hold of this stuff, this is triple liner cardboard. What that's going to do is stop the grass from growing up through your raised bed, which is really important because a lot of people will get all gung-ho about their raised bed, and then they'll throw the frame down and put soil in it, and it doesn't matter what kind of soil you put in at that point, the grass is going to still grow up through. So you've got to make sure you put something down to stop that from happening. And in this particular case, we've only mulched around part of it with our dark harbor hardwood mulch, aged hardwood mulch, because we're going to actually expand and put another raised bed off to the other side here. So we've made sure that you can kind of see it's off kilter because we're planning for the next project at the same time. So I guess we'll get started, and we're going to fill this bed up with our Castine raised bed mix. And this has all the fertilizer already in it, so you don't need to worry. You can just fill this up. There's also on our website, there's a volume calculator. So this particular bed is 4 foot by 10 foot, and these are 2 by 10, so it's 20 inches deep. You can type in whatever your dimensions are that you've built, and it'll tell you how many cubic feet you need. So use that on our website, coastofmaine.com, and